we're replacing 4,500 laptops and desktop computers across the organization through a program called Device as a Service. This means our staff will have modern, faster devices that will be replaced on a regular schedule, resulting in less frustration and time wasting that comes with older devices. For HHS, it will stabilize costs, ensure we have no obsolete devices to maintain, and provide greater cybersecurity. The Health Information Technology Services team will install new devices at your location and confirm that they are working. This is happening throughout November. You might have a technician at your workstation for an hour, but before your technician visit, there are a few things that you need to do to prepare. Please visit the Hub for the most up-to-date information on scheduling and how to prepare for your computer upgrade. Look for the Digital Health Plan page on the Hub under Initiatives.